But in case you need it, it is, I gave you a little synopsis. I didn't put it on the flow chart because the flow chart's already too packed as it is. But what I did was, if you go to, and I don't know how many of you have used this page. You might want to use it for the last exam just to revisit some ideas. But if you go to, if you go to, let's see, it's the schedule, here we go, the homework sheet. Okay, you've got a subject problem set for every single topic we've done in here. We didn't get the independence testing. I'd rather not just credit it on Thursday. If it's okay with you guys. It doesn't seem to fit anyway. But if you go to goodness of fit or ANOVA, I'll go with ANOVA because we're doing it right now. Somewhere in here, it says ANOVA, like golf, is inconclusive when you get a small p-value. As Danielle just correctly surmised, it doesn't tell you which ones are different, just that at least one is. So how do you identify which ones are different? So I didn't use our data from braking here. Maybe I should go back and read with the braking data. I used a different set of data, which is 4 different fuel mileages for 4 different truck types, engine types. This is how you do it down here. So if you need to go in more deeply and figure out which ones are different, you do what's called post hoc testing. If you ever need it, it's sitting here waiting for you. I'm not going to retire anytime soon, so the website will be up and ready for you if you need the tools. So there's how you post hoc test. It does get a little challenging, confidence-wise, but this allows you to make the corrections that you need for the confidence. There's also in here, for goodness of fit, the same exact thing happens for goodness of fit, post hoc testing. Oh, look at that. I mentioned something called post hoc testing in class. I just did. This is how you do it. So if you get a small p-value, this tells you how to get through it and figure out where the differences are. Because that is a problem, right? Danielle, you nailed it. Everything up to goodness of fit and ANOVA, you knew where the difference was. If it was positive, the first one's bigger. If it was negative, the first one's smaller. Now, not only the positives and negatives gone, because they are, but you've got this kind of ambiguous p-value that says something's different. What? Something's different. What? Something's different. That's all it tells you. This tells you how to figure out what is different, if you ever need it. I don't know if you ever will, but I figured I'd have it here for you if you ever need it. Repository for it. Okay? It does. There's a 2-factor ANOVA as well. Yes, there is, and some of you might run into that. There's also something called ANOVA, analysis of covariance. There's all kinds of tests out there, friends. There's all kinds of tests. But all of them hinge on the idea of a p-value. That's why I keep harping on the p-value so much in this class. Because you can always add more tests to your toolbox, as long as you know what the results are telling you and how to deal with them. Okay? Here's what I propose. Here's what I propose. This is it. I don't want to do independence testing on Thursday just to do independence testing. Although it's cool. It's a way to kind of, well, never mind. It's cool, but I don't think it's worth doing. It's so different than all the other tests. I feel like I'd just be shoving other tests down your throat, and that seems dumb. That seems dumb. You guys take Thursday as a work day if you need it to work on the exam. Okay? We have access to this room if you want to do that. If you don't want to come Thursday, that's totally fine too. Alright? But I'll just come down here. If you have questions on the exam, bring it in. Bring it in. If you get stuck on something, just bring it in. Projects are due before class on Thursday though, right? Projects? Before 8 a.m. Yeah, just before 8:15, I guess. Make sure they're emailed in. And somebody always emails at 8:14.
What about 8:16?
8:16 sucks. You get a 0 on it. Oh. Don't do it. It's happened before and it really pissed those students off.
Your computer messes up.
Why are you waiting until 8:16 to mail?
Did you wait till 8?
Why don't you wait until 7:55? Or maybe today or tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Why you got it so damn close? That's my son now. But Daddy, 2 more minutes! 1 more minute! You were playing soccer. It takes a minute to put our cleats on.
Yeah.
So, I wouldn't wait till 8:14 or 8:13.
Okay.
Regardless, so projects due before class. There's still quizzes posted. There's 2 quizzes posted. I think I might throw one more up. I might throw an ANOVA quiz up if I can think about it because, Danielle, you wanted to look at the data set with the antibacterial soap. I might make a quiz out of that. Just throw it up. Just have one more quiz too ready to go. Maybe, if I can keep the time between now and then to do it. But if you need Thursday for a work day, let's just free it up. Yeah, makes sense? Yeah, because it seems to be a better use of time than just ramming one more test down your throat, I think, personally. Okay, doke?
Have you said when we're talking about coming for our final?
You have to come with the exam done. Is it Thursday? I think it's Thursday. 8. Thursday at 8, yes? A week from this Thursday at 8 o'clock. And I'll have a survey for us to do, because that's how I get some. I have to have you do something while you're here by contract. And it won't take very long. I'm thinking it takes like 10, 15 minutes tops. What's up, Mel? Tuesday, no class. Yeah, exam week's always weird. Exam week, you just come one day. And you guys shouldn't be here more than 10, 15 minutes that day. Yeah, Katie? Can you try to be here at 8?
Yeah.
Thank you. Let's just be here at 8 then. That's good. I mean, I don't really care if people showing up late, but I don't want to be sitting around until 9:45 waiting for one more person to show up. So let's get here at 8. Cool? All right, workday Thursday then. Now remember there are spreadsheets for that. Which means if you want to bring your computer to work on workday, use a spreadsheet, that's good, yes?
Yes.
I'll see you in a couple hours.
That just reduced my stress level by about 100%.
I'll have the survey done and keep printing out. You can already mind. It's almost done now. So I'll get you a printing copy. I'll tell you now.
So will you be able to come Thursday?
I thought it was going to be like crazy.
I mean,
Oh my God.
I'm gonna have to train some lunch tomorrow.
yeah.
I don't work, so I'm good.
It's not too bad. It's not too bad. I won't do halfway.
You don't even have to be thinking. It's just like they'll tell you exactly what to do.
You know what it means to get a small
I'm gonna try to.
Yeah, the whole
shopping in 5 minutes.
I've seen it explained a dozen times. And they all say the same thing. So actually, one time we tried.
Well, I don't think it started at 10 because one time we were working in Hannah.
Hi there.